Hey, George from Flipsnack here. Today I'm going to tell you how you can add shopping buttons or areas to your product catalog directly from our online design studio. Let's get started. To begin, I will need to go into the design studio. For this, I select my flipbook and click Edit from the main dashboard. From here, I just go to the Interact tab and select which element I want to add to my design. I will have to pick between the shop area or the shop button. If you're working on a predefined template and you are not willing to compromise on the design, then the shop area will suit you best, since you can add this directly on top of your visuals. You can also change the color of the area, or if you want something really discreet, then you can set the opacity to 0. On the other hand, the shopping button provides a clear and direct call to action. Okay, now that I've decided which one of these I want, I will simply drag and drop the element to our catalog page. In this case, I will add shopping buttons to my catalog. Now that this is done, I can go ahead and add our product details to the button. To do this, I click on Add Product. From my product database, I will add the name, SKU, description, and price. If your product is on sale and you want to offer a discount, then you can also do this by clicking on the On Sale button. I can also select from a variety of different currencies. This list is constantly being updated by our team, so if you don't find a specific currency, just let us know and we will do our best to update the list. In this next section, I will add images to showcase my product. I just click Upload Images, and then I can select up to 3 images that I want to display. If we go to the preview, we can see exactly how this will look like from the customer's perspective. As soon as he clicks on the shopping button, he will be able to see the title, the description, the SKU, and the images that I uploaded. Everything is visible here. Moving back to the design studio, we will now go to the Advanced Options area. Quantity options will help me if I want to allow users to order only one item. I can also set up different purchasing limits. For example, if I want my customers to order a minimum of 4 items and a maximum of 20, then I can change these values and facilitate this. The next area will be crucial if your product comes in different variations, such as different colorways or different flavors. In my case, I will need 3 attributes for my product. I need size, color, and I will add a custom attribute for strap style. Now I will add in different options for each attribute. To do this, I will just add in the option and then I hit Enter. Once all of the attributes and the options have been added in, I can move on to adding images for particular variants. In my case, I would like to add separate images for each color. To do this, I just select the color attribute and then I just hit Link Image. Then I upload images for each separate color. Moving down the list, we can find all of the individual variants for my product. Depending on how many choices you've added to your attributes, this list can be smaller or larger. In my case, I have 18 different variants for my product. I can see the price for each variant, and this should be the same as the price we previously set up. But from this area, I can set up individual prices for each variant. and I can also offer individual discounts. For example, I want the leather strap to be slightly cheaper than the silver one. So for this, I simply modify the price for each leather variant. I also want to offer discounts for the red and orange silver variants. In the SKU section, we should find the same SKU like the one that we initially set up, but we can modify it from this area here. If one of your variants goes out of stock, or you simply need to remove it from the shop section, then you can click on the eye icon under visibility. This will hide the product from your catalog. Let's go back to the preview section and check how these new options look like. From the customer's perspective, he will be able to change between all of these variants using these intuitive controls. Changing the color will also change the pictures that are being displayed. Moving back to the design studio, now that I've added my products and variants to the shopping button, I can customize the way that the button looks like. From the Customize Shop button area, I can change the button label, the color, and the label color of my button. I can also add a secondary button if I want to lead my buyers to a different website where they can find even more details about my products. And that's it. We can now go for a final time into the preview section to see how the shop button looks like after it's been set up. We can see the product details, the variants, and we can also see that the button itself is now customized. This brings us to the end of the first video tutorial, but if you want to learn more about our shopping list feature, then please check out one of the other tutorials as well.